This is Hampi, a city once richer than London, Paris, or Rome. The heart of the Vijayanagara Empire, where diamonds were sold in open markets, and music echoed from stone pillars. Its temples were carved from stone, its streets filled with scholars, merchants, and kings. Traders came from Arabia, Persia, even Portugal, drawn by its unimaginable wealth and grand architecture. But in 1565, everything changed. At the Battle of Talikota, 5 enemy kingdoms united against Vijayanagara. In just one day, the city was defeated. In the months that followed, Hampi was looted, burned, and left in ruins. Today, what remains are crumbling temples, silent pillars, and a haunting silence. A forgotten city that once ruled southern India. A place where history still whispers through the stones. So why did we forget Hampi? What secrets still lie beneath its shattered walls? Like and subscribe if you want more stories from India's lost empire.